Hey guys, another day, another Poshmark Q&A. I just put eyeshadow on and now it's all over my face and my face is like shimmering. So I wanted to clear something up. So in the previous video, I talked about how Poshmark may be getting rid of sharing. It was a huge thing. I first heard about it from my girl Amber Resale. I'll link her channel down below. Go subscribe to her if you're not already. She is great. She was searching for something one day and noticed that her searches were coming up defaulting to relevance instead of just shared. So she was like, you know, what's going on? Blah, blah, blah. So she made a video saying, does this mean Poshmark's getting rid of sharing? Like, what's going on? And there's since been an update. There's a lot of false information going around right now. Not from Amber. I'm not shading Amber at all. I love Amber. But just from other people in general. People that have made videos saying, oh, it was a glitch. It was a glitch. It was a glitch. No, it wasn't. It wasn't a glitch. It wasn't a glitch. So this is an email from Poshmark. It says, I hope this email finds you well. We definitely didn't mean for this to become a cause for confusion. We were testing something new to explore how we can enhance our buyer and seller matching through new search tools. During this test, we are gathering meaningful feedback in the form of emails such as yours and in-app behavior in order to improve your experience. The Poshes selected for this test were completely random and the defaults may vary by person. We do want to be clear that this will not be replacing any core features. Sharing's there to stay. We're gonna have to share forever, guys. Sharing is a core feature. Instead, we hope that this will empower buyers to find what they're looking for more quickly, accelerating sales for sellers. We hope this gives you better context around this feature. Let us know if you have any other questions. So there you have it. It wasn't a glitch. It wasn't a glitch. So people can stop saying that it was a glitch because it wasn't a fucking glitch. It was on purpose. Poshmark did on purpose. They're, you know, trying new search features. They're trying stuff out. It wasn't a glitch. It wasn't a glitch. I don't know how many times I have to say that. It wasn't a fucking glitch. Sharing on Poshmark is going to be around forever. Like I said in that video where I talked about it, it would really surprise me if they got rid of it because Poshmark is a social app and sharing is one of the biggest social features of their app. You know, so as much as sharing sucks, like I was all excited. I was like, oh my gosh, this would be great, great, great. But they're not going to get rid of it. They're really not. And I just have to accept it. And if I don't want to accept it, I should move to a different platform. That's my advice to you guys. If you hate sharing on Poshmark so much, you know, if you want to play by the rules and not be a douchebag and use automation, because people use automation for sharing, blah, 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 either go to another platform or here's a little plug, or use Poshmark sharing tool. It helps you share your closet a lot quicker. It is not a bot. It is 100% Poshmark compliant. You still do the sharing. It's just a lot quicker. I'll link it down below. I just really love this tool and it helps me share my closet a lot quicker. Again, it's perfect for people that want to play by the rules, but you know, you still hate sharing and you want to get it done as quickly as possible. I'll link that down below. Next question. I have a lot of respect for you and the way you handle your business. Thank you, Erica. I have followed a lot of your suggestions with great success. Recently, I saw another reseller do a video about Prime Listing, a new service for resellers. It's a Chrome extension and can help do just about everything at a fraction of the cost of other similar services. Wondering if you've heard and of what your thoughts about it may be. So I actually talked about this in a previous video. I said I wasn't familiar with Prime Lister. I'm still not 100% familiar with Prime Lister, but a bunch of you guys commented on that video and said that there's kind of like two aspects to it. There's a cross-listing aspect and then there's a sharing aspect. The sharing part of it is a bot. It's not Poshmark compliant, but the cross-listing part is. So yeah, I guess Prime Lister is going around telling people that they are Poshmark compliant, which is half true. Half of what they offer is Poshmark compliant. They've actually emailed me a bunch of times wanting me to do a sponsored video for them, but I haven't done it because they're not Poshmark compliant. Yeah, there's my thoughts on that. As far as like cross-listing services go, I would recommend Vendoo. If you guys are like, Vanessa, you're recommending a cross-listing service? What? I thought that wasn't allowed. I'll link a video down below where I explain things. Things have changed. It's craziness. I'll link it down below. I haven't tried any other cross-listing service. I just tried Vendoo and it's amazing. I'm not going to try any other cross-listing service because I'm very happy with Vendoo. Video is going to be all over the place. I wanted to tell you guys about two new features that Poshmark has. Actually, one of these, I don't know if it's a new feature, but I just saw someone on Instagram talk about this and I don't remember who it was. I'll try to figure out who it was, and if I remember who it was, I will link them down below. But yeah, I saw them do this and I'm like, oh my gosh, this is great. So there's a way to tell if someone has purchased from you before. So I mean, obviously you can download your sales report and then, you know, search by username, but you can also go to, I'm actually going to go to this person that just purchased something from me. Thank you very much. I'm not going to give out usernames because I just don't want to do that. So you go to the person's closet, you tap on the shopping bag in the upper right hand corner, and then you tap on the three dots in the upper right hand corner. Then you tap on switch to sell view. And then you're going to tap on the 3 dots again in the upper right hand corner and tap on view style card. And this will show you their style card. It has like all their sizes and stuff. And then the next section down here, but this section right here is purchases from, you can tap on see all purchases, and this person has made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 purchases from me. So that's really cool. I didn't know that was a thing. I don't think that's a new feature. I think that's just something that has always been around, and I didn't know about it until I saw that person on Instagram talk about it. It's going to drive me crazy. I need to figure out who it was, and I will give them credit. Okay, another new feature. I know this is a new feature. On Mercari, if you like something and then someone else comes along and sends an offer, Mercari lets you know, like, hey, an item that you liked, someone made an offer on it. Well, now Poshmark does that too. So, these Lululemon shorts that I liked, I got a notification yesterday. It says an offer was just made on Lululemon tracker shorts. Make your offer or buy it now before it sells. So that came up as a notification in my news feed. And then I also got an email saying that that happened. And then also if you go to the listing, well, this is a different listing, but if you go to the listing, it says one active offer, act fast, blah, blah, blah. I think that's, it's kind of cool. I don't know if it'll entice me to, actually buy things, because I'm more of a seller than a buyer on Poshmark. I mean, don't get me wrong, I do purchase a ton on Poshmark, but I feel like that'll be good for the person that, purchases more than they buys, or I don't know what I'm trying to say, but I feel like it's like 50-50. It's like a toss-up, I guess, whether or not it'll influence me to buy something that I've liked. You guys should comment down below and let me know your thoughts on that. But I think that's it for this video. It was all mumbled jumbled. If you guys have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.